kiddos, we've done a little bit with rounding, but now we're going to continue that work. So if I have the number 4,145 and I want to round it to the nearest thousands, that means this is the number that's going to change. This is the one that's going to change, but to make that change, I have to look at the place next to it. So, reminder that if a digit is a 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, we're going to stay the same or drop down. If it's a 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, we're going to round it up. So I see that the 1 is below the 5, so it's going to stay the same. So if I round this whole number to 4,000, I would round it to 4,000. And all these other numbers get replaced with zeros. Okay. Now, I want you to round to the nearest 100. The nearest hundreds. So this is the number that could be changing, but I need to look at this number to decide. So I think remember I round down if it's 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, or round up if it's 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. So I look at the 4, that means we're going to go down. So when I round this number to the nearest hundreds, our thousands place doesn't change. It's still 4,000. This is going to stay at 100, and these two digits become zeros. Okay? Now we're going to round to the nearest 10. So to look at this is our tens digit, which means I have to look here. Now, if the ones place is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, we round down. If it's 5, 6, 7, or 8, or 9, we go up. It's a 5, so that means our tens number is going to get rounded up. So our new number is 4,000. That does not change when we're looking at the tens. 100, that does not change when we're looking at the tens. This is going to go up, so it's going to become 5, and then this number becomes the 0. So I can take one number, 4,145, and round it in 3 different ways. If I round to the thousands, it's 4,000. To the hundreds, it's 4,100. To the tens, it's 4,150. Now I would like you to do the problems on the next slide.